Hello everyone, Zane with you, and today we'll show you how to file your prior year taxes in 2026. Okay, the first option that you should do is simply go into Intuit or turbotax.intuit.com. Then you want to search here and navigate to this one right here or this option. Click on this arrow. Then you want to go and click on file taxes for a prior year. Just tap on it. Then you want to choose the year. As you can see, I have 2023 and 2022. You should after that choose the bundle that you actually need or the plan that you need. Here you have deluxe, premier, home and business, and business. After that, you want to go and click on buy now. Let's say that I will go for this one right here. I will use PC and Windows. After that, they will ask you for the credentials for your credit card that you want to pay with. Then you want to go and click on continue, and it will download a software to your PC that you can actually use in order to help you fill in and finish your filing for the taxes for a prior year. Then you want to go and open the Intuit TurboTax account of yours. Then you want to go to wages and income and fill in the information, and TurboTax will help you exactly to fill it and put all the important information. Alternatively, you can go to this website irs.gov. Then you want to search for the year that you want to file the taxes for, and you should find here the form to file your taxes for a prior year. So now let's say that I will type here in the search results right here 2017. Here you can see this option, search for prior year forms. You just have to click on it, and here you can actually find many forms that you can add or that you can actually fill for a prior year. And that's all for today's video. If you find this video helpful, please support us with like, subscribe, comment, share. Thank you for watching and goodbye.